Hi there, I'm Meteorologist Chikage Windler. You know, we had that heavy rainfall Saturday night into Sunday, and another round of not as heavy, but still pretty good rainfall on Wednesday. When you combine all of that, lakes have risen, but one question a lot of people are starting to ask is, how much of a dent in the drought did this make? Unfortunately, not as much as we would hope. Here in the latest drought monitor, you'll see that the areas that did get the heaviest rain, from southwest Austin up toward Pflugerville, did see an improvement. Many of these areas had been in a moderate drought. Now they are considered abnormally dry. Likewise into Burnett and Llano counties, now in the yellow. Fredericksburg points south and west, though, still dealing with extreme drought, and overall within the last week we have not seen a whole lot of improvement. Keep in mind this does not consider the Wednesday rain, but it does consider that heavy rain we had over last weekend. So as of Thursday evening, since Saturday, Lake Travis up 2.8 feet, Lake Buchanan up about 7 inches. To put that in perspective, though, even though we have seen some nice rises on the lakes, we've only seen our combined storage go up from 33% full to 34% full. We've got a long way to go. For instance, at Lake Travis, we are still 42 feet below normal, even though the river level or the lake level is rising. It's at 623.1. Lake Buchanan, 24 feet below normal, even though it is rising. It's at 986.5. As of Thursday evening, Buchanan is still at its second lowest all-time level, and Travis is still at its third all-time lowest. So with all this talk about the lakes and rain, I had a question. How many equivalent rainfall events, combining Saturday and Wednesday, would it take to fill up the lakes? And here's what the LCRA had as its answer. Here you go, to fill up the lakes. This is a staggering statistic courtesy of Dan Yates at the LCRA. 45 equivalent rainfall events would be needed. Obviously, we know that no two rain events are similar, and this is just kind of to give you a little perspective, because in this situation, the rain was heavy, but heaviest over Lake Austin, and then that water moved downstream. The rain has to fall over the right spots, location, location, location. So if that heavy rain doesn't fall right over Lake Buchanan and right over Lake Travis, the lakes do not fill up. Here's further evidence of what I was talking about. Rain reports in the last week: Barton Creek at 360, as well as Lake Austin, right by the LCRA Redbud Center. Look at this, more than a foot of rain in the last week. Pflugerville, 9.3 inches, but where we need it to fall in order to help our water supply is over Lake Travis, which you can see Lakeway picked up about 4.6 and Lago Vista 3.57, as well over Lake Buchanan, because anything that falls into Lake Buchanan will stream eventually through the lake system and make its way to Lake Travis as well. 3.32 inches of rain there. So I guess we could say we've made great strides, but we're nowhere near out of this drought. An interesting comment that Clara Tuma from the LCRA told me earlier today. She said, just because you have a green lawn doesn't mean the drought is over. A lot of the benefits we're seeing are short-term. They're in soil moisture, I should say, not in terms of long-term drought. We've got a multi-year drought. It does continue. Got one more map I want to show you from NOAA that does show some promise. This graphic from NOAA was released today, and what it does is it looks at the potential for the drought all the way through January 31st. Interesting to note, in the state of Texas, you got a little bit of everything. Those areas of green actually corresponding to drought removal likely. And yes, folks, this does include the Austin area. To the north and west, those areas shaded in red corresponding to the drought persisting or intensifying. So I took the question to the LCRA and said, what gives if the drought removal is being forecast by NOAA? And the answer, if NOAA is forecasting a drought improvement or removal, it's actually not taking into account hydrology or the water supply. Soil moisture is one of the key things that the Climate Prediction Center and NOAA are looking at. So we could recover in terms of moisture for farmland and other areas, but we will likely not recover anytime soon from our water supply issues. We're only at 34% full. Sorry so long-winded tonight. It was just one of those interesting and difficult to explain issues that I thought was worthy of a little extra time. By the way, some rainfall possible for your Friday, spotty showers, and likely Friday night, about 1/4 inch. After that, we dry out for the weekend. Gonna be a beauty. Have a good one.